Thanks for joining us here at Earning with Bits, everyone. Today is moving day on my sunflower farm. I saved up enough resources and now it's time for my bumpkin to move on up in the sunflower land farming world. I started taking down my NFTs so my farm looks bare. My NFTs won't fit on the new map until I upgrade, so I will have to store them in my new house. Let's click upgrade on the top left and move to Desert Island. Hooray, excellent. We moved. Let's get started by first claiming our desert gnome and next immediately expanding. There's no space on a new island. Next, let's click on our new house and start placing down all of our power boosting NFTs. I'm going to speed up the footage because placing NFTs and tidying up your farm takes a long time. Next, I'm going to continue expanding until I have enough space for stone and trees. I only mine stone and I will explain why in the next video. Okay, that's good for now because it takes a while to upgrade. It can get very boring, so I'm going to update you guys after I finish expanding and fixing up my farm. Thank you for joining us here at Earning with Bits Gaming. Please like and subscribe.